big day tomorrow.
We're really excited to be here. This is going to be quite the week.
We just got here.
We just did our first little hike in the Amazon rainforest. All right, Kyle said this needs to be under 2 minutes, so we are here in Iquitos. We'll show you a quick once around of the room. What else?
It is 12 o'clock. We've got a big day tomorrow.
It's an early morning. We get picked up at 8:20, and then we're gonna be at port at 9, and we've got a 2-hour boat ride to the lodge. So we are going to rinse off and hit the hay. Okay, so we've got a locked door, Kyle, our jackets, and then here is our little bathroom. So this place is right by the airport, and there's actually a pool here which we will not be able to enjoy, but it's already so moist. Like, everything is just so wet, which is great because my skin has been so dry, and coming from Arequipa where it's just like so dusty and ashy, this is a very big difference. And so I actually, earlier today when we were packing up to leave, all of our clothes and pretty much all of our stuff is in sealed Ziploc bags to keep dry, and hopefully that'll work. I didn't have enough bag to do everything, but it's moist, it's warm. We're really excited to be here. This is gonna be quite the week. So we'll check in when we can. Good morning. We got picked up around 8:30 this morning. We took a 20-25 minute ride in a moto cart taxi, and now we are on the Amazon River, and it's super exciting. It's actually 3 rivers that meet, and you can tell by the different color. One is black like the Nile.
We just got here, just got our room. We're the first people to get rooms. We're about to do a hike, so we just want to really quickly show you the room before we trash the place. So this is it. This is our home for the next, it's either 7 or 8 days, and nobody knows. We don't know, they don't know.
Everybody keeps saying something different, but I think it depends on when we get dropped off. But we got picked up around 8:30, 30-minute drive. Now we're here after an hour on the boat.
We'll try to do a better tour later. This green one is where we eat, and that's basically all we know so far. So we got a hike here in a couple minutes, so we're gonna change and get ready.
All right, we just did our first little hike in the Amazon rainforest.
It's pretty cool.
It's warm.
Check out this wild dog.
Came and scared us. Yeah, this dog just runs around the Amazon rainforest apparently. But we saw a frog, some monkeys way up there, a millipede thing, but it was very short little hike. It was very mucky, slippery, but we're excited. This is pretty crazy.
Yeah.
So we're gonna wash up for lunch and see what the rest of the afternoon has in store.